In this video, I will show you some of the basic functions of Microsoft Teams. Each team will have different channels. You can see this on the left-hand side here. This will look different for each user because you'll have access to different channels. For example, everyone can see the social channel, but only Tutorial 2 members will see the Tutorial 2 channel. The basic layout of the channel has this panel on the side and then also some tabs at the top here. The first tab is Posts and the second one is Files. Let's start with Posts. The first thing to remember about posting is to post to the right channel. If it's a social comment or a funny GIF, then it should most likely be posted into the social channel. But if the message is only for your tutorial group, then post it to your tutorial group. You can create a new post by clicking New Conversation. To keep the channel organized, it's a good practice to start a new post for each new topic. Try not to start a discussion on a new topic by replying to an existing post. You can tag your group members or other members of your class by typing @ and beginning to type their name and then selecting them there. This will draw their attention to the post and make sure that they know that this post is targeted to them. There are also options to format and edit your post. If you click at the bottom here, it will open a toolbar with many options. So you can do basic formatting, highlighting, and over here, you can undo and repeat certain functions, just like other Microsoft products like Word. You can also attach files here. Okay, you can upload from the computer, or you can select a file from the Teams channel, which I will show you after this section. You can select emojis, GIFs, and stickers as well to customize your posts. Once you've finished your post, click the arrow down the bottom here to send. If you're not happy with your post and you want to start again, you can click the trash bin up in the right corner here. Importantly, you can also use this mark to mark your post as important if it requires urgent attention. Now that we can add posts, let's see how we can react to them. Like in this channel here, you can see that in the top corner, people are able to add their reactions. So if you hover over this corner, you can see different reactions to these things. If you click on these 3 dots, you have a number of other options that are important as well. You can save messages, pin the post, or mark as unread as well. These functions might be important if this is a message that you want to find easily later, or if you know that you don't have time to read it properly, you can mark it as unread so that you can come back to it later. To reply to a post, just click this reply button down the end. Now let's have a look at the Files tab. This channel doesn't have any files in it yet, but if we go to the top left-hand corner here, this is where we can start to add files and folders. So this tab will add a new folder, and this will help you to organize your content. You can also select one of these options to start a new document. So a Word document, Excel, PowerPoint, or a OneNote notebook that you can use with your team members. Anything that's in this file section will be shareable to your whole channel. You can also drag and drop files from your desktop into this section here to upload them. Another option is to go to Upload, Files, and then you will be able to upload from your desktop. There are other options here as well that you may find less useful at the moment. For example, copy link will be to share this to members outside of your channel. Download, you can use this to download files from this file section in Teams to your desktop. Additional cloud storage as well, if your course has that enabled. And over here, you can adjust your view of the files as well. I hope that you have enjoyed this video on how to use some basic functions in Microsoft Teams and that you have found it useful. Thank you.